What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I think today, let me get these guys back in here. I think today I'm rotating these trays around. This is the top feeding tray. This will go into the middle. The middle tray will then come up to the top to become the feeding tray. Before I do the switch, let's go ahead and look through. I doubt that there's anything left from the last feeding. I'll pull out, those were the sprigs of rosemary. Ooh, we got a little kind of softness there. Yeah, not seeing any food. Definitely a decent amount of bedding from the last feeding, so that's cool. There's a popsicle stick. There was 2 in here, I believe. Okay, well, maybe the other one will stay down here. Okay. This one here, I'll check out in a minute. But I'm going to move this to the top. Let's see. Well, I'll get a chance to show you. This is basically all I normally do off camera. Okay. Make sure those little feet are in there. There we go. So now that's all situated. So this definitely is holding on to some moisture, which is a good thing, but I will add some more. Okay, woo. So that's pretty heavy. That was two trays there. I'm going to go ahead, go around the top. Lots of castings that were deposited from the feeding tray being on top of this. I'm going to go ahead, give it a quick fluffing, and then this is going to be where we do the next feeding. Okay, wow. A bunch of kind of pressure over the last few months has really pushed and helped to break that bedding down. There's the rosemary sprigs, the pumpkin stem, which I pushed on the one side. Oh, and it's like it's soft on some of these. Ooh, that one's real soft. We got some holes right here. So who knows, maybe that's actually on its way to being broke down. So to the feeding area, I definitely have to add some more paper. That's shredded cardboard and paper bags. And today, no extra moisture is needed. I have the last bit of some lettuce started kind of turning, and a nice big handful of watermelon. The worms should really enjoy that. On top of the feeding area, I always like to add some grit for the worms, which is ground up eggshell. This helps the worms break down the food as they wiggle around. They take small bites of the grit and the food, and then when they wiggle, it rubs in their crop and their gizzard to help break the food down for them. Ooh, and I almost forgot. I ended up doing a quick harvest today. It was a hardneck garlic scape, so I'll see how the worms kind of like this. Let me see if I can. Basically, it's still fairly fresh, but I'm assuming that the worms can get in and kind of hollow this out, but we'll see. Definitely has a garlic smell, the stem. Normally I wouldn't push down, but I want to make sure that it's not all the way up to the tippy top touching the lid. And this will be it for today. I'm actually out of some worm chow, so I'll have to make some more up. I think what I may do, now that I'm kind of looking at this, is pull some of this over to the side, and I have a little bit more of the shredded cardboard here, just to help bulk this up a little bit. And I see a couple pieces. I'm going to actually sprinkle that over to start helping to inoculate some of that fresh bedding and give it just a little bit of water. Well, thanks for coming along on this Worm Wednesday to check out the Vermihut Plus and getting to check out this tray rotation. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.